Good morning to all. This is Srinivas Jangiti. How are you? Right. I am always fine. Let's go to our new topic. Yeah. It's very interesting and important. Why? Because of majority of the members, these I'm what explaining the concept that is a very big method in doing. Without big method, as a simple and short method, we got an answer. That means when we are writing in the competitive exam, we have a less time, more answers we want, right? That time is very useful, this concept. Then you observe this very important problem also. Then you save more time for this because of this small logic, means without large method, a short method in, you got a simple answers this. Okay, that's nothing. Then you go to that, you just remember the concept. Then you very easy, and when you are applying for your exam, like any competitive exam time, this type of problems will appear to you. Then we are taking a lot of time for that is a large method. We can doing within seconds also we are getting these answers, right? That type of problems right now. Get ready for that. Now what is our topic? Express each of the following decimals in the rational form. It is also like a P by Q form, rational form, which means P by Q form only. Now that's topic we are going to now express each of the following decimals in the rational form or P by Q form, right? So simple. Here first what is that is one problem is appear. That is the problem is nothing. What is that is a decimal only, but small change. What is that is 0.9. Here 0.9 means simple, 9 by 10 is over. The concept is the previous video, right? Here what is the extra bar? That is the difference. So but nothing, 0.9 bar. Here majority of members what is applying period is that like writing and multiply with 10 and multiply with 100, like that is going. And what is the first equation and what is the second equation, like that you are taking a subtraction doing. After your lengthy problem, lengthy solution, afterwards you are to getting a answer this. Without that lengthy process, we will know what is here. Period is a 1, like period is a 9. These are all members you will know. Then without that using, so simple the method is, you observe what is here 0.9 bar. Here a period, what is that is a 9, period it is a 1. So you simply write what is this total number is a 0, 9, right? 0, 9. You remove the point. Then by how many days have the bar? How many days have your bar? Only one digit have this bar, right? That's why you should write down 1. Why? Because your difference is 9. There is a no bar the time you are taken as a zeros. Your bar there. That's why how many days have the bar? That much the 9s you should write down, all of you. Everybody just remember your logic is what? How many days have the bar? Your bar is how many days? Only one day it have. Then that's why 1 9 down right. Then simple, what is the answer is 9 by 9 or simply is a 1 answer. I understood. I hope you understood. Nothing here. 0.9 bar, right? First you write this total number. What is this total number? 0, 9. After that, your subtraction purpose, anything not there, 0 there. That's only directly 9 by 9 we are written and 1. Suppose this 0.8 bar. What is the answer? Come and tell me without that. Yeah, very clever. Nothing. What is this 0? 8. That is 8. Completely 8. By how many digits have the bar? 1 digit. Then your 9 digit and your 8. No. Again 9 only. Why? 1 period city 1 9. Suppose 0.7 bar. What is this answer? Yeah, very clever. 7 by 9. 0.6 bar. What is that is? 6 by 9. Right. And 0.5 bar. What is that is 0.5 bar? 5 by 9. Suppose 0.1 bar. What is this is? 1 by 9. 0.2 bar. What is this is? 2 by 9. 0.3 bar. What is that is? 3 by 9. And 0.4 bar. What is that is? 4 by 9. So it's without any hard work. So simple. I think you understood. Nothing. Just you should write this total number. And by how many digits have the bar? 1 digit only there. That's why 119 only down right. That is over. And suppose next 2 digits. Here only 1 digit have no bar. That's why this is clear. All members you understood. 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 3 by 9, how like you got. But suppose 3 digits have or 1 or more than 1 digit also. Suppose 0.12 bar there. Here how many digits there? 2 digits have the bar. So what is the answer? Same way. What is you write here? 1 0 1 2. What is that? Is 12 only will come. Why? Because of 0 1 2 means 12 only now. 12 by how many digits have the bar? 2 digits have the bar. That's why how many nines you should write down? 2 nines. 12 by 99. If you want the simplest or lowest form means if you do the cuttings. But you are asking only P by Q form only. Now it's enough. And suppose 0.123 is given. 0.123. Then here what is that? Is nothing. 123 by how many digits have the bars? First 1, 2, 3. 3 digits have the bar now. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 nines. 123 by 999. Simple. Suppose 0.1234. 4 bars. What is that? Is 1, 2, 3, 4 bar. Here how many digits have the bar? 4. That means pairs it is a 4 now. Then what is the take here? Simple. 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nines. Is that very easy now? Is there any hard? Nothing. So simple this. This type of problems in exam income, we are taking more time. Nothing here. Simple. What is it you write? This total number by how many nines? Suppose here again, what is that is again yours? Here is a 0 point given, no? Small change. What is that is? You will know here. Tell me. Suppose is a 1. Many members are confusing this problem. So observe here. So simple this is. What is that? 1.12 bars. Here nothing. What is that is you write here? This total number 1, 1, 2 only. Now this total number means 1, 1, 2. And point before number what? Point before. One number. 1 only. Point before 1 there. No. That is 1. By what is the periodicity? What is that is here? 1, 2. Then 2. 2 nines stand down. And 112 minus 1. 1, 1, 1 by 99. Simple problem, but many members are here different. Nothing here. First this total number right. What is the total number? 1, 1, 2. 112 written. After point before what is the digits available? No, that is subtract them. Before we are 0. That's why we are not subtracted. Because of 0 subtracting means what is that is same result only now. Here 1 given. That's why what you do here. 1 subtract them. So automatically what is that is you have to know. Then 1.12 bar is what is that is 112 minus 1 by 99. And what is you got? This is. And now you understood that is the problem, previous problem. What is that is a 1.1. Right. Many members are. There is nobody observed properly. Now you observe clearly. What is here? 1.1. Here is what is that is a bar. Suppose. What is this problem answer is? Tell me. 11 minus. This total is 11. Point before how many digits? 1 digit. So 1 by how many? 1, 9. So what is this answer? 10 by 9. This is a simple trick. But many members are first not observed. I think now you understood this. What is the correct work? Clear everyone? 1.1 bar, which means nothing. 11 minus 1 by 9. That means what is that is? 10 minus. Yeah, what is that is 10? How like you have got 10? 11 minus 1 is 10 by 9. By 9 why? 1 periodicity. That's why 1 9 down. Is there any hard? This type of hundreds, not a lack of problems also same way. Nothing. Just to first you should write total number. After before the point number, what is the number it is then subtract them. After down, how many digits have the bar? That much nines you should write down. Suppose a point and a bar between any number it is there, that zeros, that much you should write here down. Simple. Is there any hard here? So what is the 0.9 bar? You want a calculating and something? Nothing. What is the 0.9 bar? Which means 9 by 9. That is one answer. What is the 0.8 bar? What is that is? 8 by 9. What is 0.7 bar? What is that is? 7 by 9. Is it so simple? Very good. Thanks for watching this video.